Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the exact file format you need, because the tools and options differ. Once done, gather every page in the order you want and rename them with leading numbers to avoid misordering. Make sure the target file is open and editable. If it's locked, unlock or duplicate it. Now import or insert the first page directly rather than prepping everything. This gets the process moving and reveals format mismatches early so you can adjust immediately. You'll now add and organize the bulk of your pages. Use the application's Insert or Import Bulk option, or drag and drop multiple files into the thumbnail pane to save time. Once imported, visually scan thumbnails and drag pages to correct positions. Use move up/down commands when precise placement is required. While arranging, normalize page sizes, crop or rotate misaligned scans, and set uniform margins so the final file prints, and finish by saving an incremental version so you can roll back if needed, then export to the final format required. Once exported, open the final file and do a quick visual sweep. Confirm page order, check for missing pages, and verify page count. If file size is an issue, compress images or use optimized export settings. If things go wrong, missing pages or order errors, reopen the editable file, compare thumbnails to your numbered originals, and reinsert the specific pages rather than redoing the whole file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.